Majority of our workforce is women coming from remote villages with little opportunities.
చిన్న పిల్లలు ఉన్న వల్ల ఇంట్లోనే ఉండిపోయాను. నాకంటూ ఒక గుర్తింపు లేదు.
మా రిలేషన్ కూడా మా ఇంటికి వచ్చేవాళ్ళు కాదు. ఎందువల్ల అంటే రేకులు ఇంట్లో ఉన్నారు అనేసన్ని ఫీలింగ్ చూపించేవాళ్ళు.
ఇటీవల కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లం వల్ల మేము చాలా అప్పుల్లో అయిపోయినాము.
Make in India is one of the key programs started by Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi and is changing the economic landscape of the country and will create millions of jobs. When we started our India business, we wanted to build a truly Indian company with Indian values. That's why we announced our Make in India plans. Our first plant was already being run at more than 100% utilization. And still, we were not able to fulfill the entire demand. That's when we started planning a new manufacturing plant along with a partner Foxconn.
As a part of this Make in India initiative, we consider this as a great privilege to employ these women in thousands.
It's very humbling to see how this has transformed their lives.
ఈ శ్రీ సిటీ రావడం వల్ల చాలా మంది లేడీస్ పని கல்பிస్తున్నారు. யாரும் எங்க அத்தவங்க கூட சரி என்கிட்ட பேசாதவங்க இப்போ என்கிட்டயே வராங்க. அவங்க அவ்வளவு இதுவா நமக்கு என் சொந்த கல்ல நான் நிக்கிறேன்.
ரியலி நான் வந்து ஒரு பெரிய டீம் ஒர்க்கா தான் வந்து ஃபீல் பண்றேன். இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியான தருணம் Xiaomi and Foxconn management we can thank.
Xiaomi providing high quality products with high specifications, working very well in an e-enabled environment.
We have had great success in India thanks to all the love and support from our fans.
In our campus, we make one phone a second, and it's a big exercise. And this workforce has to be broadened from about 80 kilometers, having the right transportation, which is safe, the right kind of nutrition, for the workforce. So it is an incredible exercise, which translates today into one phone a second. In 1 or 2 years, these young women grow into very confident, who have a sense of achievement.
అప్పుడు చైనా దేశంలో మొబైల్ తయారైతే మన ఇండియా కంట్రీలో మనం చూసుకునే వాళ్ళమి. ఇప్పుడు మన ఇండియాలోనే మేము స్వహస్తాలతో మేము తయారు చేసే మొబైల్ చాలా గర్వంగా ఉంది.
Special thanks to Foxconn, who has been a great partner in our India growth story. We are very thankful to Andhra Pradesh government, who has been very supportive of our Make in India plans in Sri City, Andhra Pradesh.